Hello family and friends, I'm Elisa Crawford with Sacred Heart Cathedral School. And it's that time of year where we participate in the global day of giving known as Giving Tuesday. We are so excited for this year and we can't wait for you to hear about all of the amazing ways that you can support us here at Sacred Heart Cathedral School. We are going to hear from some of our amazing teachers about the programs that they're really hoping to implement and some of the conferences and professional development opportunities that they're hoping to attend. As always, thank you so much for giving and for all of the ways that you support us here at Sacred Heart. Go Eagles!
Hi, my name is Laura Hudson and I am the Little Eagles teacher here at Sacred Heart Cathedral School. I would like to attend the Elevate Your Classroom conference in Nashville next June. The reason why I want to attend this conference is because Jack Hartman is a keynote speaker. Jack Hartman is an important man in my life. He has made me a better teacher, and I know by attending this conference he will make me an even better teacher.
We are currently hoping to purchase UFly. It stands for University of Florida Institute. It is a comprehensive phonics program, and it's going to teach the children blends, digraphs. We will use this in our classroom and blend it in with the Super Kids reading program. The program is going to help them with spelling particularly. They are going to become much better spellers using UFly, and we are hoping that we're able to raise enough money so that first grade can use the curriculum.
All right, so the National Conference for Mathematics will be this February, and I would love to go. Being new in the middle school, it'd be awesome if I could go and pick up all those new best practices that they offer, all these different sessions that are specifically designed to help with specific age groups. So being new in middle school, that would be perfect, and I would love to go and learn all the new strategies that I can use in my classroom.
Dr. Broder and I both teach middle school science. And we have discovered that one of the best ways to get students excited about science is through hands-on investigations.
One of the hands-on investigations we really enjoy doing is showing our students items through microscopes. We can show them things like onion cells, cork cells, insect pieces, anything we want. The problem is all we have are these two lovely old microscopes. While they're somewhat functional, they do require to be plugged in, which means they are stuck on the wall. We can't put them on the tables for the students to use, and we only have two for all of our students.
It would really help our science labs if we had 14 new microscopes to help complete our middle school science lab.
By allowing the students to use these as just, one microscope for two students, that guarantees that each student gets a chance to really utilize this piece of equipment, and that experience will help them not just in middle school, but in high school and beyond.
I know we have a big goal that we're working toward, but we just want to thank you for all of your generosity and your support. We couldn't do it without you. Thank you for giving today on Giving Tuesday, and for every day the support that you give us that helps us to make Sacred Heart Cathedral School the amazing place it is to learn and grow. Thank you.